I am making a quick brunch. So making some French toast sticks, sausage, and I decided to make potatoes. And that's what's gonna take the longest. Probably shouldn't have made the potatoes just because, like I said, they're gonna take the longest, and I wanted to try to leave out around 1:30 to meet my mom with the girls, but it's okay. I'm sure she probably won't be on time. Anyway, placed the order at BJ's. Rock went to go pick it up. Just had a re-up on the essentials, food essentials, I guess you could say. Not even food like grocery shopping, like y'all know. So we got some more cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got some more French toast. So I always get 2 boxes of these because we eat it damn near every day, and so we don't run out. I had to finally read back up on some fruit snacks. These fruit snacks last a very long time. It's a 90 count. And yeah, they last forever. I got me a snack for, you know, whenever I get hungry and I don't feel like cooking. So the last couple of times I bought these, I bought the curry kind. Good. But I decided to go with the beef kind because I know Rock likes these too, and I don't know, I honestly don't know if the curry is too spicy for him, but I got the beef kind just so he can have some if he would like. I had to re-up on some brown sugar because I think I ran out on Thanksgiving, so read up on that. I got this pack of green beans, which can be split in half because it's a lot in here. I read up on her chips for school. Got some more minced garlic. When my mom was here, she was like, oh my God, how did you run out of garlic? Like, you should never run out of garlic. So we got some garlic, okay? And a big bottle too. And I got some fresh garlic because I plan on making a homemade cough syrup, since the girls, well, mainly Lonnie, but all of us kind of always stay with a cough. And I think fresh garlic was one of the ingredients. I was gonna get some organic honey, but y'all know BJ's just sell everything so big and in bulk, and that was like $13. So I'll probably just run to the grocery store and get an organic honey for cheaper. We got some more bananas. I got a big pack of sandwich bags. The next order I place, I'm gonna get freezer bags. We got some glazed donuts. I mean, I may have one, but really I don't need it. The girls don't need it either because I be trying not to give them all that sugar and junk. These are mainly for Rock, for gains, okay? And I read up on Elani's brownies. I don't feel like picking them up. They're the Edmonds Little Bites. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away.
This is how we do it. Like this, like this. You do this back. Discretion. Rob the jewelry store and tell them guess who's back. If good girls get down on the floor, tell me how low will a bad girl go? She probably pick it up, drop it down real slow. Either that or she's upside down on the pole. Got to do with it.
It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
Alright y'all, so we made it out the house. Yes, I'm looking a little crazy. I guess I could take this I guess I can take this bonnet off. Still got these pin curls in my hair, but it's not really. I don't really have a reason to take them out, so I'll just leave them in. But yeah, we just got in the car. We're about to go pick up the girls so they can come back home, child. So they can come back home. But yeah, I had cooked us brunch. So we had French toast with sausage and some home fries. It was pretty good. I got my water and I got my coffee. I had put a little bit of brown sugar syrup in here. I don't think I'm a fan of that syrup. I never really like it. Like anytime I use it, it's strong. So like you only need just a little bit, but I don't think I'm a fan. But I do want to try a brown sugar shaken espresso. So y'all know I just bought some brown sugar from BJ's. So I guess tomorrow maybe I'll try it. My thing is I don't want to try all this new stuff, because if I don't like it, then that's wasted milk and a wasted pod. But I mean, you gotta try it to see if it's something that you like. So it is what it is. So far I think I've tried 4 pods, either 3 or 4. So far my favorite one was it's the double espresso chiro, I believe it's called. That was the best one so far, and that was the very first time trying out the machine, and that drink came out good. All I did was lined it with caramel. I used whole milk, and that was it really. I put some sweet cold foam on the top, and yeah, that was it. But we're gonna keep trying it out to see which pods we like. I don't think I'm gonna be buying too many coffee pods, because you know espresso is stronger. So I think I'm gonna just do the double espresso pods. But all right, y'all, let me pay attention and get down this road, and I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so we're back home. The girls are back home. Y'all want to say hi? Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No. Hi.
Too late. All right, so we're back home, and I am cooking dinner, you guys. Here, go sit down. Go sit down, Aaron. I'll be right back when they decide to stop crying, because every time I turn on the camera they want to make noise. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm cooking dinner. I was only able to cook three sweet potatoes, because the rest of them they were going bad. So I'm cooking some sweet potatoes. I made some more rice, which I really didn't even have to make any more rice, because there was still a good amount of rice left over from the other day when I had cooked. But yeah, I made some rice. I just mixed the 2 rices together. And I made some Brussels sprouts. I don't think anyone's gonna eat the Brussels sprouts besides me. I'm making them charred, like the charred Brussels sprouts. And then I'm making some oh my god, what type of meat is this? Is it pork? Wait, where did I get this from? I got this from ShopRite. No. Wait. No, I got this from Walmart. I forget what type of meat. I think it... Is it pork? No, it may be lamb. It's not lamb. I don't know. Okay? But dinner is cooking. Hold on, Aaron. Alright, so here's the rice. Here is the sweet potatoes. Here is the Brussels sprouts. They're basically done. I'll probably leave them in. No, I think they're done. I'm gonna take them out. Yeah, those look really good. And here's the meat. Good morning, you guys. Just got downstairs. I'm about to make Ilani some breakfast. My voice sounds crazy. I literally just got over a cold and I feel like my body is trying to do it all over again. And I am not understanding why. Now, typically, you know, it's December, so it's December, so you know, it's flu season or whatever. And typically I get sick around this time anyway, but oh my goodness. I just can't deal. I gotta buy myself some new tea because all the tea that I have in the cabinet, I've had it for a while, so I gotta buy myself some new tea. What I really want to do is make a homemade excuse me, I want to make a homemade cough syrup. That's been on my mind, and I just be putting stuff off. Like, y'all, I was been supposed to go to Kohl's to return a pair of jeans that I got for Aaron, and I just been putting it off and putting it off. And so I have to go to the store to buy that was good. I have to go to the store to buy, I believe, fresh cloves goes in the mixture. What else? Is it garlic? Organic honey. And what else? I think I'm missing another ingredient, but anyway, I gotta get to the store so I can buy that stuff so I can make a homemade cough syrup, so I can just have it on deck for when any of us need it. So I'm about to go ahead and my hair is itching like crazy. Look, I'm finna take this wig off today. I gotta reapply it anyway. And I gotta grease my scalp because my head is itching like crazy. Alright, let me get this girl together so she can get out the house and go to school. Back up. Show your outfit. Back up. Show your outfit.
I want to put a t-shirt over my shirt.
No.
Please.
Why would you do that?
Because I want to.
No, this is your outfit.
It's better like this. Mommy, please, it's better
No,
like
you
this.
don't need no t-shirt over your shirt, Mommy. That don't even make sense. You go on a playground, your gloves are in your pocket.
I don't think you want.
What's the name? Let me see you, girl. Monty. Say hi. Y'all, I've been coming on here looking a mess. I'm sorry. This is a raw, uncut, real life. Okay? But I did do my hair over. I relaid my wig back down because baby. And I switched, I changed up the parting on it because I did have a I had a middle part, as y'all know, but I changed up the parting on it, so now I have a side part and it's cute. I cut a couple more layers into it, so hopefully it gives, you know, hopefully it gives. It says 400, but I'm gonna put it on. You know what? I'm about to make one of these beef patties for perfect times like this when I get hungry but don't feel like cooking. Yeah. I'm trying to look for a microwave oven. Yeah, it says 420 to 25 minutes. So, okay, that's what we'll do. It's this right here. The Jamaican beef patty. I'll just put it on this tray. That's what it looks like. Y'all, I think I already told y'all, but I think we're going on like 2 weeks since I've been to the gym. I had let Benzo outside. He peed on a damn floor again. And he already know. See, as soon as he came in, he went straight to the cage. He already know. Like, I'm so sick of him peeing on the floor. Oh, goodness. Honestly, I can put this on her chair now. I'm not folding no clothes right now. Oh my goodness, I don't feel like it. Put some more snacks back in this cabinet. Because this is where the snacks usually go. Well, her chips. So. These back in there. Y'all know I went to BJ's. Well, I placed a BJ's pickup. Rock went to go pick it up, but we read up on the brownies, the fruit snacks. I had got these from Walmart the last time I was there. So this brand is, I don't know if this brand is supposed to be organic or if it's just like a healthier version. Like, it's gluten-free, as you can see. No artificial flavors or synthetic colors. No high fructose corn syrup. It says whole grain. So it's definitely like a healthier version. but it's these granola bars. So I got it in the birthday cake flavor. And so far, Erin had one. Of course, she didn't finish it. She didn't finish it because she wastes everything, you know. But she said she liked it. And I think Ilani actually finished it for her, if I'm not mistaken. I think for dinner, I'm going to, because when my mom was here, she had bought fish for, when she was here for Christmas, she had bought fish, and she made fish and grits. Ooh, it's only 2 more pieces left. That's all right. Is it 2? Yeah, it's 2 more pieces left. So I'll probably just go ahead and fry that for me and Rock, and then it's cool. For the girls, I'll just give them some chicken nuggets. So we still have some rice from the other night. Well, actually, let me show y'all. So I just put everything in one container because why not? Rock said dinner was really good last night. He said he couldn't get with the Brussels sprouts. I made them, they were the charred Brussels sprouts. And then he looked at me because he already knew. He was like, what? My taste buds ain't mature and aren't. So here's the food. It looks weird, y'all, because it's cold. But these are the charred Brussels sprouts. I had made some yams. And here's the meat right here. It looks like that because it has the gravy over it. And then I had some onions in it as well. So obviously it's not enough sides. I mean, I can eat the Brussels sprouts again tonight. And then, damn, these was good. I wish I had more yams. Maybe if he's feeling good, he'll be up. Maybe he could stop at the store and get me some yams. Or I might do it. But them yams was so damn good. Baby. So I think what I'm going to do, like I said, it's enough rice for all of us. I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese for dinner. Let me set a timer right now. I said 20-25 minutes. I'll set it for 23. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 23 minutes. So I'm excited, you guys, because I just got a package. I had saw the delivery guy on a ring, and I wasn't exactly sure what it was. Just because I wasn't really waiting for anything. But I did place an order for Shein. But I didn't expect it to get here so fast. Because I think it's been, has it been a week? When did I place this? I don't even think it's been a week. Yeah, no. It's been a couple days. But the package is here. So we'll do a little unboxing. We'll do a quick little haul. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put y'all this way. Let me put this down. Oh my god. I gotta move this up. I hate when this bonnet is over my ears. I feel like I can't hear nothing. Damn. Okay. And I got the that edge, that band on too. I heard a noise. That better not be Aaron. So some of the stuff is for the girls, and then I got me a couple things too. I am so excited this is here. This came super fast. I don't remember ordering these. Like, why would I order a whole bunch of butterfly clips? I don't remember ordering these, but okay. It's literally a whole bunch of butterfly clips. I did order them some hair accessories, but I don't like, and why would I pick butterflies? I don't know. I gotta make sure they, look, I gotta make sure they didn't charge me for it like I'm returning it. I had got them, they have their winter jackets and stuff, but I had got them another coat. Super, super cute, and I mainly got it because I just got Ebonee these boots. I bought her a pink pair with, they either have black stars on them or black hearts. I think they're stars. And then I bought her another pair of boots and they're silver, so she can obviously wear her jacket when she wears her silver boots. Real cute. Ebonee is gonna be into fashion just like her mama, okay? She already loves playing dress up. She's always in her closet putting dresses on, her skirts with her stockings, her jackets. Girl, she's gonna be very much into it, and I'm here for it. I really am. So here's a jacket. This one is for Aaron. So cute. This is too cute. This is the same one. This one is for Ebonee. Looks like it's gonna fit good. It's not a heavy duty winter coat at all, so you know she'll probably have to wear, if she wears it anytime, like soon, she'll probably have to put like a hoodie on under it. I think this is something for me. Yeah. Oh my god, this little, I don't even know, like a Sherpa type jacket. So cute. So cute. And I probably already have something like this. Here's the thing. I do have a lot of jackets. I'm not even gonna lie. I have so many jackets, but I can't see all of them because the coat closet is really small. And I still got to go through it and organize it. Like, so far I've bought 2 bins from the dollar store and I just put them on top, and that was just to organize the girl stuff, because the gloves always was just, I just like stuff to be organized so that way when we need it we know where to go for it and it's there. So I have bought a bin for the gloves and a bin for the hat, but they have a lot of hats, so one of the bins is being shared with gloves. But anyway, I still got to go through it, go through my jackets and stuff. I have so many jackets, but like literally a closet dedicated to my jackets. But here's this jacket right here. Here's, like, you know, the fur material on it. Super cute. It doesn't have any buttons or anything, so I would have to wear it open, but that's all right. I could wear like a turtleneck or something like that. But yeah, that is super cute. What is this? Another jacket. See what I'm saying? And I have a white jacket already. Oh god, I have a white jacket already. I really do. But this is a different look. It's a different material. Now, why would they do this? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, that's why I got it. Okay. Because when I was looking, I was like, I already have a white jacket. And then I see the tag and it's on the outside. And Shein does that sometimes. I've only seen it done on pajamas, I think. And they were pajamas for Aaron. But they had placed the tag on the outside of the pajamas. Not a big deal because they're pajamas. She's never wearing them out the house, but still. Okay, so I got this jacket because it's a black jacket. It's a black, not real leather, but it's a black leather jacket. And then this is the fur on the inside. Yes, this looks really warm. So I plan to wear this. I don't have too many birthday plans. I did come up with something. Here's the jacket. This is what the sleeves look like. This is what the pockets look like. And this is the bottom of it. So it's like a long black, kind of like trench coat, if you will. Super, super cute. Oh, I wonder if I still have those boots. Probably not. Oh, here's Rob. Damn, so I guess I gotta go pick up Ebonee. It's alright. As long as Aaron can stay here, I'll go get her. I don't care. It'd just be too much trying to bring Aaron. I got a pack of black hair ties. Mainly for Ebonee because her hair is really thick. And those little ponytail holders, you know, that I got when she was smaller, ain't cutting it. I had got a hat. Super cute. Just imagine with some nice bouncy curls. It's gonna give. It's gonna give what it needs to give. I did not order this. What the fuck are they sending me? I did not order this. Like, what? Unless this goes with something, I did not order this. What the hell?
Well, put it on.
I didn't order this. It's the winter time.
Well, put it on.
didn't.
Let me see something.
I gotta make sure they didn't.
She be having the big hauls. Like, it's like 60 things in this box. Big haul.
Alright, this one is for Ebonee. They got a matching outfit, her and Aaron. So it's just some blue flare pants with the matching top. How adorable. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a little big on Ebonee, I can tell. But I'd rather it big than small, just fitting, you know. But getting to the detail around the collar, and it looks like that on the back too. But yeah, this cute little blue outfit. And then Aaron got the same. I want to see how big this is going to be. Because Aaron's a little shorty. She's not as tall as Ebonee. This should be alright. That should be alright. The pants might be a little too long. But it's alright. Alright, here's a dress for Ebonee. It's a two-piece. I thought this was a dress. Shein can be very deceiving. Alright, here's a shirt. It's a collared shirt with these cute little bows on it. It does tie or button behind the neck. And then the skirt. The skirt is like tight, so it shouldn't be a problem around her waist. And here's the skirt. And she can wear her cute little stockings and boots. She can wear her new silver boots with it. Here's another jacket for Aaron, because the one that she has is so freaking cute. So here's another one in this pinkish purple color.
Big drip.
Put the belt on right now so it don't get lost. Bruh, they pissing me off. What is this? I'm returning this. I did not pay for this. Here's another one of these shirts. Like, what the hell? Alright, this is a dress for me. so it's this black long sleeve dress. Here's the sleeves, and this is what it looks like at the bottom. Super cute. I plan on wearing that with some stockings, and I don't know what kind of shoes yet. I have white boots, but I just wore those not too long ago, and I don't even know if they're gonna look right with this dress. I do have some kitten heels I bought, but I can't find, when I organized my closet the other day, I could only find one. Now where's my other shoe? And I never wore them. Alright, so these are a pair of stockings, I'm guessing for me. Yeah, they better fit too. They should fit. They should fit. So just a pair of like these sheer black stockings. Probably for like 30 minutes. I got a brown pair as well, and these are even more sheer. But you know, just a pair to have. Here's another hat. This is so cute. I love this. This is so cute. So cute. Like, I could wear it with my new jacket. Hello. That's so cute. Okay, what I'm most excited about, kind of, I had to order Elani some more stockings because the last pair of stockings that I ordered, that was a size, what, 6 through 8? 6 years old to 8-year-old? And they're like barely fitting anymore, so I had to order the next size up, 8 to 11. Lonnie, she's kind of tall. But black, white, gray, tan, and brown. So I'm not gonna pull all of them out. They all look the same. They're all ribbed like this. And yeah. Damn, these don't feel much. These don't feel much different. Oh my goodness. Damn. They don't have much stretch. Here's the bag. I didn't realize that the print on here was like iridescent. I did not order this. Yo, what is going on? I did not order this. What in the world? Like, huh? I mean, it's kind of cute, but I didn't order this. Like, it's okay, but y'all, I promise you I didn't order this. Like, the print on here is like iridescent throughout the whole bag, but like it's colors right here. I didn't order that. Shein. Y'all pissing me off. And this is another dress for Elani. Here's the front. That ruffled neck again around the collar. Here's the sleeves and the bottom of the dress. So this is cute. She loves dresses, skirts, all that. Shirt that I ordered just to go with one of my hats that I have. I didn't realize it was like kind of cropped. The sleeves look nice and long, but you never know until you try it on.
You never know.
I had ordered them some more bows because I put bows in their hair. I can't keep up with them. One is in her hair. One is God knows on the floor, under the couch. So I bought them another pack of bows. Here are some more stockings for Ebonee. A different, these aren't ripped. These are just regular pantyhose, I guess. Black, white, and tan. I got another hat. So cute. So stinking cute. This is, baby, my head ain't that big. This is cute.
Yeah.
Shein is effing up my order. Okay,
But
hold on.
is everything in there that you ordered?
Most of the stuff, but like here's a
Are you missing
bag,
pieces?
and I didn't order
It doesn't
this
matter if they
style
charge you
bag.
for it.
I gotta look.
Gotta see if they charge it for you. There should be extra throw-ins.
Who's throwing extra stuff in?
Well, that's why you check to see, make sure all your stuff is there.
Okay.
Because it's no
So
hurt.
that bag, I didn't order that style bag. I didn't order those 2 shirts. These butterfly clips, like I said, I would never order butterfly clips. This hat, this is an Easter hat. I did not order this. I did not order this. Oh, these are the socks. All right.
So you did order that.
I did order these. Let me see that hat.
There you go, flip it.
I got a, that stink.
You should have stayed.
I thought they would kind of go together. Not that I would, you know, wear them together, but it's just these thick pair of socks. They're giving Easter in person, but it's all right. Here is some more pantyhose for me. So 2 pairs of black, 2 pairs of chocolate brown, just to have on deck. What is this? Here's a ring that I ordered. Let's see what finger this is gonna fit on. I gotta go get my stuff out the oven. Oh shoot, I know that water. Getting sidetracked with y'all. Oh, it fits on this finger. Super cute. We got some bows for Ebonee. So we got some bows, some silver bows to, you know, match her jacket, match her boots. Hopefully they stay in, both of them. And I got some clips just to like accessorize their hair. And I got 2 other rings. Here's the other 2 rings. Okay, these are for the kitchen. I'm gonna like kind of redo the kitchen over, like the themes, well, the decor in the kitchen. Do it over. So I just got 2 of these. And I'm gonna replace the, I'm gonna put the flour and the sugar in here. And this is the same one. So, alright you guys, that wraps up the haul. I'm gonna go get my food out the oven and put these noodles on. Okay, so I just rinsed these containers out. And I'm gonna go, once they're dry, I'm gonna go ahead and, damn, how am I gonna get all the way in there? So once they're dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put the flour and the sugar inside. I'm just trying to get all the way to the bottom. I don't want this to be wet.